Growing a bougainvillea plant can add a burst of vibrant color to your garden or landscape. Bougainvilleas are known for their brilliant bracts that come in various colors like pink, red, purple, and orange. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to grow and care for a bougainvillea plant. 1. Select the right bougainvillea variety. Choose a bougainvillea variety that suits your climate and space. Some common types include Bougainvillea spectabilis, Bougainvillea glabra, and Bougainvillea barbara karst, each with distinct characteristics and colors. 2. Choose the right location. Bougainvilleas thrive in full sun, so select a location that receives at least 6–8 hours of direct sunlight daily. 3. Prepare the soil. Bougainvilleas prefer well-draining soil. Test the soil's drainage by digging a hole and filling it with water. It should drain within a few hours. If drainage is poor, consider raised beds or amending the soil with organic matter. 4. Planting. Plant bougainvilleas in the spring when the weather warms up. Dig a hole that is twice the size of the root ball and place the plant in the hole. Backfill with soil and tamp it down gently to remove air pockets. Water thoroughly after planting. 5. Watering. Water newly planted bougainvilleas regularly to help establish the root system. Once established, they're somewhat drought tolerant. Allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings to prevent overwatering, which can lead to root rot. 6. Fertilizing. Bougainvilleas are light feeders. Fertilize them with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer every 6–8 weeks during the growing season. Spring through early fall. Reduce or stop fertilization in the winter. 7. Pruning. Prune bougainvilleas to maintain their shape and encourage more blooms. Pruning is best done in early spring before new growth starts. Trim back long, unruly branches and remove dead or diseased growth. 8. Trellising or support. Bougainvilleas are climbers, so provide them with a trellis, arbor, or other support structure to help them grow vertically. They can also be trained as a shrub or hedge. 9. Cold protection. For cold climates. In regions with frost or freezing temperatures, protect your bougainvillea during the winter. Cover the plant with a blanket or move potted bougainvilleas indoors. 10. Enjoy the colorful display. With proper care, your bougainvillea will reward you with an explosion of colorful bracts that can last for months. Sit back, relax, and savor the beauty it brings to your garden. Remember that bougainvilleas are vigorous growers, so regular maintenance, including pruning and trellis training, will help keep them in check and ensure a stunning display of color in your garden.